Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, this video is about hosting your hPanel and we will go through step by step. I'm gonna teach you how to set up a new website, how to manage your hPanel backend, how to secure your website, how to increase performance, backup, everything in this video. So please stay with me, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start the video. So as you can see, we have here, when you go to sign in your hosting, if you already have hosting, if not, if you are looking for a nice discount, you can check link in description. When you click that, you will get nice discount with that link. So after you purchase, I will recommend always yearly plan, so you will get nice discount with that. So after you purchase your hosting gear, and then you have to sign in and go to websites option, where you will see the domain you choose. While choosing your hosting plan, you will see your domain here, and you have two options, admin panel and manage. So you have to go to manage section. As you can see, this is our dashboard. Here we have section here, business website web hosting. So which plan you got, you will get here all the information, how much the SSD is allowed, how much the RAM, and every detail about your web hosting. Next we have domain. Here let me go through step by step, and I will keep click on every step here, so you will better understand it. So in the domain, when you click manage domain, here you have a detail about your domain. It will bring you upper, you can see the menu, it will bring you to domain section. Okay, so now let's go to next option. We have here free email, where you can set up your free email. You need to have click here manage, or you can directly go to email section from the menu. Here you can create free email with your, as you can see, my domain name is preettkalirona.com, which I was making it ready for accepting online orders for web development. A lot of people contact me, they want my help to create their business website. Definitely, that's why we are creating this preettkalirona.com website, so people will able to directly order any services there. So okay, so here you want to create email address, you have to click create email account, and you have to pick which email name you want to. Here you can, if you are looking for, like, if you allow people to contact you, you can name it contact at your domain. You can, as I already set hello at my domain.com. okay, you can set as you want here. That will be your name here. You choose, that will be in the before section, and then you can directly go to webmail, where you can check all your mail. Okay, let's go to next option, what we have in the hosting hPanel. Next we have daily backup. So here, how to get the daily backup, how to download daily backup. This is a very important, a lot of people ask me as well. So you have to click here manage in the daily backup. If you want to download your backup, I always recommend download your backup somewhere on your computer. We have two section here, file backup, where you have theme files, images, other pages, post, everything in this section. Down here database backup, where you have every information about activity, your users, database. We have to keep backup of those both, file backups and database backups. So here let's first download our file backup. Then you have to select it. After you select, because Hostinger provide you every daily backup, so Hostinger has everyday updated backup. So if you are looking for latest one, then you have to choose your latest date here, and you have to click next step. When you click on next step, this will give you your files to download. In the next step, you have to click all options. If you see your domain name or particular domain, then you have to choose only domain. That if you see that, you can expand these options. Okay, for example, you want to only backup of your other domain, which is you want to select it manually. One option you can select manually, but I would recommend click all these options, so it will give you logs, file browser, and the profile section. Everything is in this here. Then you have to click here, download all files. That's all. But same process, if you want to restore any of your for example, yesterday you work on your website, but suddenly you got some problem on your website, then you have to process same thing. You have to select the date you want to go back. For example, yesterday was 19. On 19 April my website was going very good. Then I will bring back my website to 19 April. So then I have to select next and restore. That's very easy. Same process in database backup. Select the database, select your database here and show database. It will show you database, latest database. We have to select this one, latest one at 20 April. Then click download. This way you will able to download the database as well. So we need file backup, database backup, both. Okay, let's go to next option. Let's back to dashboard. In the dashboard section we have performance score, where you can test your website, how much performance score your website has. Then you have to select you want to check page speed or website speed for the desktop or for a mobile unit. And then you have to select and analyze. It will give you score, how much score your website is running, like how great your website is. It will give you all the detail. Then you have a file manager section, where you have all your file like PHP, database. If you choose database option, this will bring you to my PHP section. File manager, where you have all the theme files, images, other stuff. Okay, so next we have a WordPress overview, which is a very important section according to me, where we do performance, security settings. Then we have to click here, WordPress overview. After you select WordPress overview, you will see some option here in the core section. Force HTTPS. Yeah, we really need it. Okay, we have to enable this one because what this will do, this will bring all your customer visitor over the HTTPS secure server. Okay, so next we have maintenance mode. If you're working on your website, you can set directly your website to maintenance mode from here. If your website is already good and running live, then you have to disable this one. Next, which is very good, light speed. This will recommend to speed up your website. This is very nice option. Then you have to select this option, enable on your website. Then click on change setting. They will recommend you advanced option, which is nice. So you just have to do it, apply setting. This will apply on your website immediately to speed up your website. Okay, I know you are enjoying my video. Please hit like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. I always bring nice content for you. And let's try some other option. What we have here, okay, we have here option to install another WordPress. We don't need it. Okay, let's go back to WordPress again. Okay, so here downside, if your website has any issue like virus or any hacking attempts, you will get all the detail here. Okay, then you have to click see detail. This will tell you if your website has any malware or virus, all the detail. Downside, we have hosting resource uses, how much resource I been using. Okay, for example, in this hosting plan I have a 200 gigabyte, but I only use 1 gigabyte. And here files and directories, this limit is 600,000, which is very good. You have a lot. You can track with a percentage here, how much percentage you use in those. Then you have detail about CPU, if your CPU going well. As you can see, it's 4% only maximum use, which is very good. Okay, and you have memory like 1.5 1536 megabyte. Okay, average we only use 48 megabyte, which is good. Okay, everything looks good here. If sometime your website goes down, you can check here. If any process or going too high, you will check here. Okay, let's go to next option. Let's go back to WordPress dashboard. Sorry, hPanel dashboard. Okay, let's try some other options here. One more option, guys. Here you will see sometime in the tips to improve object cache, which is very nice option. Object cache actually, if for example you're going to visit first time on your website, if you visit again by next day, your website will be speed up automatically because it will save your cache in the browser. That will really helpful to speed up your website. Okay, so let's go to next option. Here in the left side panel we have next option WordPress. Let's expand this one. In the WordPress we have to go through one by one. Okay, let's click on overview. What we have this option here. Actually we have all the security option here, as I already explained you here, but you will see here upper size security option. We missed that one, so I want to cover all these options. Okay, click on here security option. In the security option you have to click enable automatic updates. Sometime plugin or theme has new updates or they bring new feature, then it will help you to auto activate automatic updates. Okay, but if you here the scroll down, it will give you detail about your themes, how many themes you have. I will recommend always keep 1 or 2 themes. Okay, we don't need more themes here. It will slow down our website server. And then we have detail about your installed plugin. If your website has any issue, this is how we fix in the backend. We remove those some plugins or we disable here to check if the issue is solved. Okay, next option AI troubleshooter. In the AI troubleshooter it will give you detail. If your website has any issue, it will give you advice. Staging option, you can create staging environment, allow test out website changes before publish. You can, this is nice option on the website. You can test things over on your live website if the changes is good, and if you got any issue with the changes, it will help you to test out every option on the live website. It will keep you safe. Let's go to next hosting option. As I already explained you about this, we have plan detail, resource use, we already done that one. Performance, which is a really nice option. We have to go to CDN option. Actually I really like this option. You have to activate it. Okay, what this will do, for example Hostinger has their own CDN network. If you live in US and you have a website, but on your website some visitor from India, other Asian country or African, what this will do, Hostinger has already CDN links with some other country, Asia, Africa. This will speed up, this will provide them a nice environment to speed up a website. It will connect your visitor to local nearby server. This will really helpful. Then we have to activate this one, and we have to click here options. Okay, here, which is I really nice like this option, you have to click website optimization. Okay, I know you're enjoying this video, you also want to learn how to speed up your website, then you have to follow me. WebP image comparison, you have to enable it. You have to enable all the options. This is very helpful, guys, if you want to speed up your website. And downside, it will auto optimize your images as well. You have to keep recommended here stuff. But if you want your image quality 100%, you can choose here, but they always recommend 85%. And here pixel 1600 for the desktop, mobile 800 pixel. You can make changes according your, but make sure you enable this option. But if your website has any issue in the front end, you have to disable these things. You can try it out. If your website running very well, you have to keep it enabled to get nice performance. Traffic blocking is option where you can block particular country, they will not able to visit your website, or particular IP address. This is nice option. Security option, if your website has any issue in the front end or you feel your website has been hacked, you have to click this option. This is advanced security level that enabled the browser challenge page for your website visitor. Enable it to fight the rapid DDoS attack. This is really helpful, and you have to use only the latest TLS version. Enable this one. This will really help you in security. Always use TLS 1.3. This is nice option. Okay, let's go back, and we have again security option after where you can scan malware. If your website has any malware, you can scan any malware. If you click this option, you will see if your website has any virus, you will see here, and you will see option to solve that one. SSL option, if you already have SSL or you need to install, you will get both option to install it here. Email option, this we already follow this one, or you can go to menu section for the emails. You can create email accounts. Domain section, set main domain. You can set main domain. You can link which domain you want to make default domain. I have two domain, but I want this domain as primary domain. You can set any domain you want to make primary. Subdomains, where you can create subdomain of your domain. For example, this domain, but I want to make one more subdomain name blog, because I have a multiple business, so but you can create subdomains of those here. Okay, let's go to park. You can park your domains here. If you're not using, you can park them here. You can set redirections for your website. If your website or particular path you want to redirect, or permanently or IP redirect, you can do. Okay, this is nice option in the backend, so you don't need to install any external plugin for the redirection. Okay, let's go to website option. In the website option, if your first time just install the hosting, and you want to install your WordPress, this is the option. Here we visit here, this option downside on the website, where we have to click auto install, where we install our WordPress or other applications. This will give you all the options here. Okay, you can select here and you can install WordPress on your domain name. Okay, you can add new website here. If you want to add new domain, then you can go to add website section. You can migrate your website from other, if you already have website with other register, you can migrate it here. Like your domain, you can migrate to Hostinger. Copy website, where you can copy your same website with other domain. Okay, you want to copy same website to your other domain, for example this domain. So what this will do, this will copy all the files from here to here. Okay, this is very nice option. Then we have error pages. This will give you information if you have any error pages or bad pages, all the pages will be here. Logo maker, you can create your logo. Website development, okay, you can check out this option. Next we have files, which I already explain you, because file option you will also see in the dashboard here. File section, database, okay, same option, file is here. But here you can go through step by step. Import website, you can import your website files. If you have a file with other company, you already have backup a zip file, tar file or z file, then you have to upload here. Okay, this will import all those files to your website. FTP account, if you already know about FTP account, or you can search in Google what is at FTP. All the details will be here for the to create FTP accounts. Then we have a database again, as I already explained in the dashboard. Same option in the dashboard, database. Okay, if you click database, this will give you all the database information, and this will allow you to enter PHP my admin. Okay, you have two options for the files. You have a file manager. For database, you have a database option. Okay, in the advanced option, we have a DNS zone where you can edit the DNS. If you want make any changes to the DNS, you can do so. PHP configuration, if you want to change PHP version of your WordPress, as I am using 8.1, but always use latest one, 8.3. That will be good. We have a cron jobs. If we run any cron job, if you want to run, you can make here. You can learn more about cron job you can search other videos for the cron job. What is cron job? That will give you more detail. Okay, all these sections is related to DNS. You can see here. You can follow one by one. You can check what options these are. Okay, so we not make this video more longer, but if you want me to ask about any particular section, or particular if you got any error on your WordPress or on your hPanel, you want to know more, you can let me know in comments. I will definitely reply you there. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.